to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a scratch game. So today's scratch game is going to be a catcher game. So I'm going to show you how I made it. Disclaimer, I'm not going to show you how I do it step by step. So how I made it with you, but I'm going to show you the steps. So let's just jump straight through it. First thing you want to do is your backdrop. Want that? Once you have that, pick two sprites. One is for the catcher of the ball, and then, so for example, my ball is trying to catch the apple, and the apple is trying to go into the ball. So like that. So you need two sprites. Okay, well, once you have the sprite, the thing which is trying to catch something, go to that and code it that. So the first code which I put is when flag clicked in the forever block, if key left arrow pressed, then change x by -10. But now what I mean by that is that my left arrow on my key is, when I press it, it should go on the left. But you actually, it doesn't make sense for the computer, so you need to add one more extra step, which is change x by -10. -10 because -10 is always anything on the x-axis. If you know your coordinates, on the left side of the x-axis is the minus, and on the right side is the plus. So that's how you do it. Once you got that, and then you should be able to press your left arrow. Now you want to make it right. So the same rules apply. When flag clicked in the forever block, if key right arrow pressed, then change x by 10. We're doing change x by not 10, not -10, is because on this side, on the right side, it's just 10, not -10. So yeah, once you've done that, you should be able to move it like this. Move it like this, okay? So if you got that, good. Now let's go to the apple, which is your other sprite. Which your other sprite is. So first, let's check here. When flag is clicked, go to random position, set y to 180. So y-axis is vertical. So apple, the maximum you can reach is 180. So like that. And go to random position. It could be here. Follow my cursor. It could be here. Next, when flag clicked in the forever block, set score to 0. So when you have a score, you first set it to 0. Next, and by the way, to make the score, you go to variables and then you type score here. And then once you got the score, then drag out the set my variable to 0, and then set my variable to score to 0. Once you've done that, so then you have if touching ball, then start sound, collect. Go to random position, set y to 180. Again, what I mean by that is, if touching ball, so if touching ball, then if the apple is touching the ball, then start sound collect, which is just a sound. I'll show you. So that was the sound. Okay, so just like that. Once you've done that, go to random position. So it'll be on the top. Again, this is like the same code basically. It'll be anywhere on the top on the 180 degrees. So I mean y-axis, 180. Somewhere on the top. Anywhere on the top. Once that's done, next code. When flag clicked forever in the forever block, change y by -5. So per second, -5 blocks. So because we're going down. Once we go down, it will be minusing. It will be my minus. So -1, -2, -3, -4. Typically if we go down. So my -5 per second is staying like that. Next, if y position is smaller than 170, -170, then go to random position, set y 180. Again, if y position is -170, which will be somewhere at the bottom. If it's more than that, then go to random position. So on the bottom, it would just be like where it's falling. It would go to a random position and then fall. So just like that. Say white 180. So you start probably from the top and then come on the bottom, right? Just like that. Next, when flag clicked, change score by 1. So obviously from your variables, which I already have here, change my variable, change it to change my score by 1. Because you have your score title up here. By the way, you can also mess about with your score. You can have it normal readout, which is like that. The large readout. If you like 2 times click, if you're using a Mac, double click with 2 fingers. You could have like that, or you could have slider like that, or you could have hide, which you can't see the score from. What I prefer is no hide. So like that. And yeah, that's it, guys. And I hope you like my video, and please share, and please subscribe to my channel, and bye.